The secret's out. Understanding, I spilled the beans. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, I spilled the beans. This phrase might conjure images of someone accidentally tipping over a container of beans, but it carries a much different meaning in everyday conversation. Let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and how you can use it effectively in English. I spilled the beans is an idiom used to convey that someone has revealed a secret or disclosed information that was supposed to be kept confidential. It's often used when the information is let out accidentally, but it can also be used when someone decides to reveal the truth on purpose. This expression is commonly used in casual conversations and storytelling. Understanding the origin of I spilled the beans adds a fascinating layer to its usage. The phrase is believed to have ancient roots, with one theory suggesting it comes from a voting method used in ancient Greece, where beans were used to cast votes. Spilling the beans would inadvertently reveal the secret results of a vote. Knowing this background not only enriches your understanding of the phrase but also gives you a cool historical tidbit to share. Now, let's see how to incorporate I spilled the beans into your English conversations. Apologizing for revealing a secret. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, but I spilled the beans about the surprise party. Admitting to sharing information, he finally spilled the beans about his plans to move abroad. Narrating a story, and then she spilled the beans about how they met. It was such a romantic story. Using it in various contexts will help you become more comfortable with the idiom and enrich your conversational skills. It's useful to know similar expressions for variety in your language use. Here are a few. Let the cat out of the bag. Another popular idiom with a similar meaning. Blew the whistle, often used in contexts involving reporting misconduct or illegal activities, but can be used broadly to mean revealing secret information. Understanding these variations can help you better express yourself and understand the nuances of English idioms. I spilled the beans is more than just a quirky expression. It's a window into the rich tapestry of the English language and its idiomatic expressions. Whether you're sharing a secret or learning about ancient voting practices, this phrase has a charm that enriches conversation. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to sprinkle more idiomatic expressions into your English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.